In this episode, I'm going to show you how to fix those huge gaps between your flooring and your door if you just recently installed or replaced your old door. So make sure you stay tuned. So we just recently removed our old wooden rotten door and replaced it with a vinyl sliding door, and it left this huge gap between our flooring and the new door. So now we're going to replace this and make sure that it is nice and flush with the door. First, I want to use this mini pry bar that we used to take out baseboards. So you want to cut out any caulking and then pry off the old baseboards, because in order for us to get to that old flooring, we need to remove this. So it's very easy. Just take that out. And then since this is a vinyl plank flooring, which uses a tongue and groove, you can just take out the old one. And this is what we're going to replace with our brand new flooring. So we're going to take out two pieces. Depending on your situation, it might be a little bit more. But this is the tongue and groove vinyl plank flooring with backing already installed, which is the liner for the back. So no need for liner to put on the floor on this one. So what we're going to do is we're just going to measure how much we're going to cut off and put it against the wall and the drywall itself, and then we're going to measure the lengths and what we need to cut out against that wall. So it came out to around 10 inches, and we are going to go cut out for what we need to cut using my carpenter square and marking out what we need to cut, placing it right against, and just cutting along the way. So one of the useful tools that I really like to use is this oscillating tool. It's by Works, but there's cordless ones that I'll also put the link on the description down below if you need one of these. This is a very helpful multi-tool that you can use to cut drywall, any type of wood, in this case vinyl plank flooring. So I took out the plug because this floor is going beside my vent, and I'm gonna go and just vacuum any debris that fell inside there. And I also have this little mallet that I used to install flooring as well, and replace that over with the new vent. So now we have our new flooring. We're just going to place it right against like we did on the left side. We're going to measure and then cut out for it. Then using my carpenter square, make sure everything is nice and aligned. And then we're going to use our oscillating tool to cut that as well. And we're going to measure out the differences. And it's very straightforward. And then just cut out the difference on right there. So again, friends, these are one of those videos that I really like to show you how to fix different kind of scenarios when it comes to flooring. And that's my son helping me record. So big shout out to my son. He's always doing a great job for me, teaching him young, you know. Also, I have all these other videos that I like to show you regarding how to fix different types like flooring gaps, damaged flooring. So if you're interested on those type of videos, I'll leave the playlist along the bottom. But this is also what it looked like before. And now you see the difference with after. Again, on the edges, on the very edge, I'm going to use some caulking to fully flush it and then finish it off with the trim around the door. So if you found this video super helpful, friends, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.